1. 1968 Ford F250 Custom Cab Camper Special, $1,600, 9 Mile Falls, Washington. This 1968 Ford F250 Camper Special is a solid starting point for restoration or a dependable source for parts. Equipped with a factory 390 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive pickup has power steering and power disc brakes. While it runs and drives, the tires are old and may need replacement. The truck features its original Harbor Blue paint with minimal rust and a straight body, though the driver's door and hood have been replaced. All essential components, including lights, wipers, heater, horn, and radio, are functional. With its clean title and solid foundation, this classic pickup is a rare find at this price point. To 1978 Dodge pickup, $1,200, Desert Hills, Arizona. This 1978 Dodge pickup offers a budget-friendly option for classic truck enthusiasts or a restoration project. Powered by a V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck shows signs of wear, particularly with a rusted bed. While it runs, its condition would benefit from some attention to bodywork and mechanical updates. It retains a clean title and could be a great project for someone looking to revive a piece of Dodge history. Three, 1976 Chevrolet Stepside, $5,300, Mount Vernon, Washington. This vibrant orange 1976 Chevrolet Stepside is a partially restored classic with a lot of potential. Featuring a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, the truck runs and drives smoothly. It comes with downpipes and brand new wheels and tires, adding to its appeal. The Stepside body style is iconic, and this truck is a great canvas for further restoration. With 56,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this Chevy is ready for someone to complete its transformation into a show-worthy classic. Nash. Four, 1968 Ford F250 long bed, $4,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1968 Ford F250 long bed has undergone extensive mechanical restoration, making it a ready-to-drive classic. The rebuilt engine and manual transmission are complemented by new brakes, a new ignition system, a new carburetor, and a refreshed cooling system. The truck also boasts new glass and seals, with no rust present. Finished in a clean blue paint, this F250 is in excellent condition, combining reliability with vintage charm. It's a fantastic option for someone seeking a classic truck that requires minimal additional work. Five, 1971 Chevrolet K10, $8,800, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This lifted 1971 Chevrolet K10 is an off-road ready classic. Equipped with a small block V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it also features brand new Mickey Thompson wheels and tires, a freshly rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, and a new battery. The cab corners show minor rust, but the rockers and floorboards are solid. With a clean title and a well-maintained drivetrain, this truck is perfect for someone looking for a classic that combines rugged performance with vintage style. 6. 1977 Ford F150, $9,500, Lewiston, Idaho. This 1977 Ford F150 is a well-preserved 4x4 pickup, powered by a 351 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features functional 4-wheel drive with Warn hubs and a Holley 600 4-barrel carburetor paired with a Y-end intake. Running and driving excellently, this truck is a reliable option for classic truck enthusiasts. Its clean title and solid condition make it an appealing investment for collectors or those seeking a capable vintage vehicle. $1964 Ford F250 Custom Special Edition, $8,500, San Diego, California. A true barn find, this 1964 Ford F250 Custom Special Edition showcases originality with its preserved patina and straight body lines. Powered by a V8 352 engine and an automatic transmission, it has undergone mechanical updates, including a new radiator, gas tank, distributor, starter, and fuel pump. The brakes have been overhauled, and the truck comes with its original wheels and tires. This F250 is ideal for preservation enthusiasts who appreciate the untouched look of a classic workhorse. Ashar 8, 1965 Ford F100 pickup truck, $7,900, Lucerne Valley, California. This 1965 Ford F100 is a farm veteran in good running condition. It retains its original straight-six engine, paired with a 3-speed column-shift manual transmission. The truck starts and runs smoothly, making it a reliable option for light-duty use or restoration. With 94,738 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this F100 offers a blend of functionality and classic charm. $9. 1965 Ford F250 flatbed truck, $5,000, Marin, San Francisco, California. This 1965 Ford F250 flatbed is a versatile classic, powered by an inline-six engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Mechanically sound, it features new brakes and fresh 12-ply tires. The truck's steel flatbed enhances its utility, while the body could benefit from minor rust repairs and a fresh coat of paint. With its clean title and practical upgrades, this F250 is ready for work or restoration. 10. 1965 Ford F200 long bed, 6,500 Drain, Oregon. Stored indoors for years, this 1965 Ford F200 long bed is a project vehicle with potential. It features a 352 V8 engine and a manual transmission, though it requires a new battery, a master cylinder for the brakes, and fresh fuel to get running. While it shows signs of rust, its solid foundation and classic design make it a worthy restoration candidate. A clean title adds to its appeal. Early 1960s Chevrolet truck, $500, Vail, Arizona. This early 1960s Chevrolet truck is being sold as a parts vehicle. It comes with a straight-six engine and a 4-speed transmission. The truck is priced attractively for those seeking parts or a challenging restoration project. While its condition may limit its use as a complete vehicle, it offers valuable components for enthusiasts working on similar models. (1984) Chevrolet Long Bed, $3,500, Bellevue, Nebraska. This 1984 Chevrolet Long Bed offers a combination of reliability and classic styling. Powered by a 305 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it runs well with 134,000 miles on the odometer. The body is rust-free, making it a strong candidate for restoration or customization. With a clean title and a fair asking price, this truck is a solid entry into classic Chevy ownership.